No, we're doing, okay, videotape. Okay. So, this is the area. Say hello to Angela.
Hello to Angela.
And that is the dining space up there, or part of it. We're waiting for the elevators. They are round, and we freak out. Well, I do. Stupid buttons. Let's wait for the buttons. Let's wait. Wait. Oh, my tummy hurts. I had too much bacon.
That is your fault. You're the one who grabbed it.
It's the button. Mary.
I'm done.
Mary. Go up with me. Go up with me.
Go with me.
You guys go.
Yeah. Go with me. Go with me.
I'm video record.
What number? Gang, come on.
We're seriously gonna go gang.
Come on, Julia.
I'm videotaping. I'm videotaping.
What's that? Very cool.
Say hi to the video camera.
Oh my god.
Chloe's retarded.
No, I'm not.
You pushed like 12. They're on the other still.
They're gonna meet us. What are you doing?
I pressed all the buttons.
Because Chloe pushed 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we can go all the way up.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, she just pushed 8. And
But then we don't stop.
Yeah, we want to stop.
I don't want to get out.
Want to get it?
What do you want?
They're going down.
Goodbye.
Oh my god, it's so
Now you gotta go all the way down?
No, not yet.
We're not even up yet.
We're still through the 8. Oh my god.
Oh, we're in 7.
Oh my god.
I feel like a rich person. No. Look at that. You just go walk over there to them elevator. Look, we almost touched the ceiling.
Yeah, when you come down, it feels like you're gonna hit.
Okay, we're going up. We're going back down.
Oh my gosh.
We have to go all the way
Were you
down.
guys laughing at us?
I clicked them all.
Yeah.
We should go. We're on it over there.
We're
gonna click them all.
What's this L3, L2?
Where's Kayla? We lost her.
Smells like butt on this.
I know.
Courtney farted on the other one.
It was loud.
I thought it was the door. It was funny.
It was embarrassing. Thanks for telling everybody my business, Jessica. I appreciate it. Look at Mr. Melody. No, we're not.
Sit by himself.
Where?
That's mean. Yeah, you know what? No.
That's the
'cause
way,
he said-
way back.
Wait. What did he say? That he would not sit with us? No way.
Break into these elevators for going up and down.
Yeah.
One. Oh, we're just going. We're just riding.
Yeah.
Ride.
It's just riding.
How many people can fit in this?
Ooh.
Oh, we're gonna hit. No, we're not. But
Kayla!
looks like it.
Kayla!
We're retarded. We're right in the elevator.
You know what? I'm going up to 8. Wait, Angela! Don't leave me! Come with me! Fine. No, come with me! Don't leave! Angela! Thank you!
Going through real quick.
Angela didn't go!
Have you been in this elevator the whole time?
I don't like doing this.
Say hi. I'm video recording.
Holy shit.
This is scary.
Back down to 2. You guys want to go back down to 2 or 3?
Oh, we'll go with 3.
Yeah.
Oh, she's scary.
Try walking.
My tongue hurts. I'm gonna walk on the top floor.
Well, me and Ashley and Nick climbed in.
I saw you guys. So
Mom, should I come there? We've been on every floor. We're going to do some bullshit climbing. Where'd
Oh,
you
this
go?
floor is fancy.
You want to go up at 8?
Yes, I want to walk on 8.
Everyone's been like everywhere now at this hotel.
I've only been in here.
We explore.
I've only been on this thing. I haven't walked.
Ready, go down.
Someone else.
I got one. I got one.
We're on 1, stupid.
No, we're on 2 right now.
We're going up to 8.
Come on.
Walk, hurry up.
Nice. Put your all on.
No, just 8.
Just 8 because it's scary going from hell.
I think you broke the button.
I broke it. Oh my goodness.
See, this my mom's gonna watch this and freak out. It's gonna be so funny.
Why do you guys scream?
Are you guys getting up? What are you getting up for?
I'm going by myself.
How'd you go down? Oh, lobby level.
You just went up, moron.
I went down to 7, then 6, then 5. Which one?
And then
It starts at 6. You're not supposed to push every button. You can. That's what they were doing. Which one do we do? It's lobby level. Stupid. Oh. I tell everybody that and nobody listens to me. I didn't see the lobby level sign.
Whoa,
It's stopping at 5. Yeah, then 4. Hi.
I see
Alright, go say
Miranda. Miranda.
Oh, wow.
And Angela. She left me.
Hi, people. Hi.
Angela.
Hi. Oh my God, this is giving me a headache. You're Casey. Hey.
Angela. Get her.
Julie, don't leave yet. It's not even in the room. Julia's so far away. Why is everyone watching us?
We're not even on the floor yet. We're not on it.
We're not on it yet.
No, we're not.
It goes all the way down. Julia, this isn't the level. Is it?
No,
Are you for sure?
I'm sure.
Oh, it is the level. Ah, goodbye. Is this the level?
No, this is that one.
I'm leaving. You guys, come on, let's go to 8. Let's go to 8.
Wait, go to number 3.
No, don't press 3. We're on 8.
Why? That's where the ballroom is.
What?
The ballroom is on 3.
Oh, where are we going?
We went down to the bottom.
I can't see no one. Go up.
Alright, guys, gotta get out real quick. We're here for business. We have to do something. Go. Yeah, hurry. Just get out for a second. I'm not even playing around.
Whatever.
We have to go find the other people.
No, you guys.
That was fun.